If you have a 3 to 4 month old baby that sleeps at least 5 to 6 hours a night, consider yourself lucky. But, if you have a 3 to 4 month old who used to sleep through the night, and now you find yourself with a baby who has suddenly transformed into a night owl, and you find yourself waking up every 3 hours, 2 or 1 hour on a bad night, sorry to inform you, your baby may be going through a sleep regression. What are sleep regressions? A sleep regression is a period of time when your baby's normal sleep pattern is disrupted by sudden changes in their body's ability to fall asleep or stay asleep. Your baby's sleep regression can affect their naps, nighttime sleep, and bedtime routine. As a result, your baby may have behavioral changes such as irritability, increased fussiness, and an increased need for soothing and comfort. And likely, you may experience some increased irritability when dealing with your fussy baby. What are the common signs of sleep regressions? If your baby shows signs of altered nap lengths, all of a sudden your baby is waking when they normally would not wake up during the night, or they are having difficulty with or showing resistance to their bedtime routine, then it's possible they are going through a sleep regression. Sleep regressions in babies are usually associated with changes in a baby's sleep cycles, as well as developmental leap. These are more common during times when your baby is approaching or has reached a milestone. It's good to note that not all babies will experience sleep regressions. Count yourself as lucky if your baby doesn't have to go through this. But it is normal, and you should expect that your baby will go through the natural shifts in their sleep patterns. As parents, it is important to understand these changes in sleep as a normal part of your baby's growth. When you understand what these changes are, you are able to remain calm and patient, and that can help you feel more prepared when it happens with your baby. Sometime between months 3 and 4 of your baby's development, their sleep cycles increase from 2 stages to 4 stages of sleep, which is closer to an adult's sleep cycle structure. How to deal with your baby's sleep regression? When navigating this time with your baby, remember to be patient and know that this phase of your baby's development will soon pass. To help with this change, we recommend consistency with your bedtime routine and your soothing strategies. This will help your baby to continue to learn what to expect at bedtime, even if they are struggling with sleep. Also, teaching your baby a little self-soothing skills and encouraging them to fall asleep independently can be a helpful approach to any sleep regression. By following a simple, consistent bedtime routine will help your baby learn to fall asleep independently. Your routine can be as simple as reading a story, dimming the lights, turning on a white noise machine, and putting your baby down in their crib drowsy but awake. You can support your baby during this time by staying close by to offer gentle comfort as they learn to relax and go to sleep. If they wake up, quietly get them back to drowsy, and put them back down, staying close by until they fall asleep. The more experience your baby has to practice their self-soothing sleep skills, the more likely they are to fall back asleep when they wake in the middle of the night. This is very important for your baby, because learning to self-soothe and drift off to sleep independently helps your baby better navigate their sleep cycles changes at 3 to 4 months. Please note, your baby will continue to have variations and regressions in their sleep patterns as they grow and develop. When we as parents know that sleep is not something that always remains the same, we can be better prepared for when those different variations occur. Hey, tell us how you are coping with your baby's sleep regression in the comments section below. And thanks for watching Tiny Tribe Parents. If you could please help us out by hitting the like button, commenting and subscribing to our channel for more incredible content that is on the way.